This is a true story about an IPS officer. Before we start the story, I would like you to answer this question. Can you all guess what the full form of IPS officer? I just mean IPS. IPS means Indian Police Service. And by the way, the IPS officer name that I was talking about was Vimukti. Vimukti is now 37 years old. But this was a story extracted from his life when he was just 15 years old. Just 15! The story starts with when Vimukti was a God's gift. He was the most brilliant kid. He was one of the best toppers in his whole grade. He earned a lot of honor. He was good in a lot of problems, maths, English, science. He was so wonderful. He was a teacher's pet. As well as he was good in sports like cricket, badminton and whatnot. But his brain missed something in school, which was he was not there in any of the gangs. He didn't know how to get into gangs. And then soon he got to know that to get into a gang, you should be honored, to be cool. And to become cool, he thought of a way. He thought, he pondered and what not, and finally found the idea. He got the bulb movement. He secretly watched the computer's password, and during a computer class, he invited all his friends and the people he wanted to befriend. And soon he was sitting in the chair, a computer in front of him, and half of the boys in the whole grade behind him, looking at the screen. He opened the computer, told all of them the password, showed off his skills, his talent at computering, and he earned the name of becoming cool. He was selected as the leader of the coolest gang. Vimukti was so happy. But choices have consequences. He got a very serious consequence. The computer parts were missing, and all his friends and the person he wanted to befriend blamed it on him because he was the one who showed the computer password. And he was forced to accept that he had done the theft. But there was one person supporting him, which was his father. His father tried to prove the teachers and headmaster that he was innocent, but they wouldn't listen and they expelled him. Soon, Vimukti joined another school. He had new friends, new environment, and he was happy. He studied many things and now became one of the most honest and truthful IPS officer. So what did you learn from this story? I learned in order to earn honor, be respected. Give respect, take respect. Instead of being bad and getting cool habits. The second thing I learned from this story is don't blame others for your mistakes. The third and the most important thing here I learned is choices have consequences. Thank you.